Hey everyone, it's Rakhshanda here. I'm from the North Vancouver City Library. Thank you for joining me for STEAM Time. Today I've got a very fun experiment lined up. It's called Invisible Ink, and you can use this to make a card or write a secret message for Father's Day. Here's what you need for the Invisible Ink experiment. You need a piece of paper, you need some lemon juice, earbud, matches, and candle. What I've done is I've squeezed half a lemon and I've added a teaspoon of water to it just to dilute it. And I'm going to use this earbud to dip it in the lemon juice and to write my message. And I'm going to write out my message on this piece of paper. There. And you can let this dry. After allowing the ink to dry for 10 to 15 minutes, now it's time to heat it up to reveal the message. And for that, we're going to be using a candle. So I have my candle here. I'm just going to light it up. Please make sure you have adult supervision at this time if you're doing this as a child. And now I'm just going to heat up the piece of paper. And what's going to happen is that the lemon juice is going to turn brown because it is going to oxidize. And oxidization happens when the organic matter in the lemon juice comes in contact with oxygen, and it is turning brown, as you can see. And there you have it. Best dad ever. Now, if you don't feel very comfortable doing this over the candle, you can also try doing it over an electric stove, or you can try to do it with ironing. But either way you decide to do it, please make sure that you have an adult close by if you're dealing with anything related to heat. So that's your invisible ink experiment for this week. Thank you for watching.